Hey, it's Mikey Chow. It's about Nano Dimensions, a trace on Nasdaq and symbol NNDM. The stock was flat after making a pretty nice run up to the $9 share mark. However, I think this is actually pretty okay movement by the stock because if you look at Nano Dimensions over the past 5 days, it's been really volatile. I mean, this is pretty typical of Nano Dimensions. This is a stock that was making a charge up to $10. Then it's come back down. I don't think it's down really because of bad news. I think the stock tends to get ahead of itself. You look here, this is a 1 month chart of the stock. It was at 667. Made a charge up to $10. So it looks like it's establishing a base at around the 850 level. So I think at this point, it really depends on if there's any news comes out specifically about Nano Dimensions, and also just the general buying or selling pressure in these sort of innovative disruptive stocks. I think there was probably some selling of these stocks that were big gainers in 2020, just some profit taken in early 2021 because you don't have to pay capital gains tax until April of 2022. But once all of that selling settles down, I think we'll get some upward drift in Nano Dimensions. I've talked about how I think Nano Dimensions can hit $12 a share by the middle of the year and then $14 a share by the end of the year. I know some people are much more optimistic about the stock. I tend to just, play it down, but I do think Nano Dimensions in the long term is going to be one of the great long-term stocks to own. This could definitely be a $20 to $30 billion company over the next 10 years because it's involved in 3D printing, and 3D printing is going to become more ubiquitous in more different industries. And another reason why Nano Dimensions could rise really well in 2021 is, just generally the economies could be reopened, and you have companies that haven't probably upgraded their equipment in the last 16 months, so they're probably going to go ahead and upgrade, and that means Nano Dimensions has the potential to get a lot of orders. Also, Nano Dimensions holds about 600 million to $1 billion in cash. They hold a lot of cash for a company that has a market cap of $1.5 billion. They carry a significant amount of cash thanks to 5 direct offerings that they've had. And with that money, they could do marketing or make an acquisition or do something that could otherwise positively boost the stock. So go ahead and check out Nano Dimensions. Again, trace on the Nasdaq on the symbol NNDM. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.